2018 Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design makes it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, front reading lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.